Hello friends, welcome to Sakka Naukri Express. Here you can get regular verified government job updates. Before proceeding on with the video, let me request the subscribers as well as the viewers, kindly let us know your love or even the hate in the comment and the like as well as the dislike options in the YouTube, so that we know your responses, which might help us for improving us as well as supporting us with the further working in our arena, that is this job update arena, which we have chosen as a new opportunity to give the youngsters what is much needed the job. So we'll wish to share the job updates instantly. Okay, let's proceed off with the video. So in this video we are going to see the recruitment process for ADO, Agriculture Development Officer. This is the notification for your reference. The total number of vacancies was around 52 and the mode of application was in online. So the starting of application has started by 24th of November, that is yesterday. So the last date of application was 21st of December. So the selection process was taking place through a screening of your applications and then followed by your online test and then a personality test, that is interview in the sense it is a personality test, not your core knowledge and all. It is a personality test. So when it comes to the education qualifications, so BSc, MSc, so both the members can apply for this particular post. So the minimum age and the maximum age restrictions for applying this post was 18 and 45. So when it comes to the examination fee, it was 400 for general and economic weaker section category peoples and 100 rupees for SC, ST, OBC and economic weaker section people again. Yeah, right. So what the thing was here, the OBC economic weaker section people. Okay. So here the general economic weaker section people was 400 rupees and here it was the OBC economic weaker section people. Kindly make note the difference. Okay, so for female candidate as well as the ex-servicemen, the fees was being exempted. So when it comes to the exam pattern, let us see it in a detailed manner. So the first stage of examination was through screening, as I said previously, followed by the preliminary examination, and after that the second stage of examination will be the personality test. Those who are being shortlisted through the preliminary examination, they only be allowed for the personality test. So the question pattern will be 80 questions for your core knowledge in the streams of BSc and MSc Agri background. So after that, a general knowledge question about the Himachal Pradesh. Okay, since the job location is in Himachal Pradesh, the general knowledge question will be asked in Himachal Pradesh background. Okay, and then 10 questions around in national international affairs. So the total number of questions was about 100. Okay, and the salary was about as I mentioned here, that is you will have the basic pay of 10,300. Okay, so to 34,800 and 5,000 grade pay. So the job location in Himachal Pradesh. So we have updated everything detailedly for this recruitment. So kindly share the video with the members who are watching and don't hesitate for relocation, guys, since it is a pan-India job application. Kindly apply for the post who are with the essential qualifications. Thank you. Thanks for watching.